Hey, 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 Nickie Brown here, no matter where you are, what part of the world you're in. I hope that you're having a good day. So I remember, pardon me, I was eating some almonds. I remember a couple years ago, I said to one of my cousins, and she's older. I didn't say old. Some people don't know the difference between when you're saying older with an ER, which means in comparison to, and just calling someone outright old. There's a difference. She is older than I am in comparison to my age, right? That's not me calling her old. I'm saying she's older, which is a fact or a truth, right? Her age is older than my age. Anyway, um, I said that because, sometimes when people are a little older than you, they feel like, how do I want to say this? Older people have knowledge, right? But someone younger can have knowledge as well. We can learn from infants. Anyway, she said, I said, this number came to me because she played the lottery all the time. I said, this number came to me. I think you should play it. And she said, oh no, I'm not going to play that because that number never comes out. She didn't play the number. You know that number came out, right? And she was like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, whatever. And of course, it was too late, And then she was like, well, give me another one. But it doesn't work like that. Like, if someone intuitive comes to you and says, I think that you should play this number or you should do this thing, sometimes, even if you feel like you're more mature, you've been on this earth longer, and they may not be aware of certain things, sometimes you should just listen, because it's not about who's been on the earth longer, right? There's a such thing as intuition. And so if a person has a dream or they get an intuitive message and they share that message with you, you shouldn't take it for granted, because you could miss out on the winning lottery numbers. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.